What's going on, guys? So if you watched yesterday's video, you know that today's video I'm going to be installing carbon fiber vinyl on the interior of this Mercedes. And if you're wondering, wow, why are you wearing the same shirt in your last video? That's because this is the same day. Now, instead of making one whole video of the carbon fiber mirrors and the carbon fiber interior, I figured I would spend the time to show you guys how I'm going to do the carbon fiber on the interior without taking off any of the panels or anything like that. I also didn't want to make, a 20-something minute long video. I figured I can break it up for you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. I do have plans for this paint soon. I'm going to keep you guys updated on that on Snapchat, Instagram, all that good stuff. So make sure you follow me there. I'm not even going to talk that much. We're just going to hop right into the video. Let's do it. So this is the carbon fiber vinyl wrap that I bought. Now this came right from Vivid. It's one of their premium wraps, I believe, for the carbon fiber. It's the high gloss. Now it is a lot thicker than your normal vinyl wrap, so when you use this, make sure you use a lot of heat, so that way you can make sure it sticks really well and you get all the air bubbles and wrinkles out of it. Now just remember, anytime you use vinyl wrap, you want to clean the surface area. So I just have a rag, and I'm honestly just going to use water because it's not even that dirty at all. I cleaned my car the other day, but just to make sure there's no extra debris on there, I'm going to get all that off. I did mess up the cut right here, so that's why there's that little piece, which I might be able to pull down and tuck it. Now I'm going to do all the easy stuff first, and then I'll get back to this. So I just got done with this piece. Right now I'm just tucking everything in. So if you want to have a perfect clean tuck, I highly suggest using a squeegee. Just heat the area that it's in, stick the squeegee in, put some pressure, and let the vinyl stick right to that crease. But I definitely don't want to spend too much time and not be able to finish this or have it done perfectly. So I'm probably going to come back to it tomorrow. I'm still going to upload this video because it does show you guys how to do this. I have this piece done on the door. I literally just don't have this. And I didn't do these pieces because I know how long they're going to take if you want it done right. Have the middle piece done. Banged out my passenger door, passenger rear, and driver rear. So hopefully this was helpful for some of you guys, because I know a lot of people who want to do vinyl wrap stuff think they have to pop, the entire piece off, which you don't. You just have to measure your length, squeegee it out. Don't cut your plastic, don't cut into your dash or anything like that. I mean, unless you don't give a shit, but, I do, so I tried my best not to cut anything, and, I mean, everything's pretty tucked. Use a heat gun, get all that off, and then eventually just wipe everything off your car. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be trying to do this piece, and then that piece on that side. I'll give you the exact link in the description. I think I paid 20 bucks for Amazon 2-day shipping, so it was cheap. I still have a bunch left over. I could probably do it entirely one more time with what I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you subscribe. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next week. Peace.